So the Fowler Hair Academy, what makes it different? You know what? I've been talking to a few people who've been in the site already, and what they've been talking to me about is the fact that we have structure behind what we do. Now, this was always a point that I wanted to make, was that, you know, as creatives, our creative brains literally go all over the place, which is part of why we're so amazing at what we do, right? The other thing that we need, though, and I think a lot of us struggle, and I know that I did, is actually getting that structure and working through it, because it's got to be fun, otherwise we get bored, and also it's got to make sure that it has significance and it has purpose to us, because otherwise there's no point in it. So what we've done at the Fowler Hair Academy is make sure that we have a really good structured learning, and it's not just about, you know, going out and being inspired and having a bit of aspiration and us just throwing content all over the place, and, you know, you may be picking it up. You know, we're still having the inspiration and the aspirational pieces together with our creating character concept, but what we're really doing is making sure that you guys have the business acumen and you know the knowledge and you have the steps to take you on to the next point of your career. It's stuff that we've learned and stuff that we've shared over time, but it's stuff that I would love to share with you. So Fowler Hair Academy, structured learning, it's inspirational, it's aspirational, and I hope you love it and I hope you enjoy it.